channel. So for today's video, may panibagong set na naman tayong pagkakitaan. Ito ang Octron.club. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-register dito guys? Ilagay lamang natin ang ating mobile number, login password, security password, at i-attach natin itong code natin. So after that guys, i-click lang natin itong sign up. So yun nga guys, once na naklik na natin si sign up at nakapag-login na tayo, may total balance tayo ditong 10,000 TRX. So yun nga guys, merong latest announcement si Octron.club. First, ito ang the company anniversary rewards new and old users. First, deposit over 50,000 TRX, 10% rebate. Second, the second recharge is more than 50,000 TRX and the rebate is 5%. Contact customer service to receive. And second, after completing the registration, you will have two wallets. One is a basic wallet and the other is a promotional wallet. The base wallet will immediately reward 10,000 TRX pool startup funds. The startup gold you cannot be claimed immediately and you need to wait for the mining pool to be unlocked. The more you put in, the faster you unlock. If a friend around you is interested in Tron mining, you can recommend him to register, and you can get 30 TRX, 20 TRX, 10 TRX, 3-level mining pool energy gold by recommending a friend to register. Then third, invest in the basic account to participate in mining and generate mining income at 00.01 Singapore time every day. Users need to receive it every day. Income is permanent and has no duration. The minimum investment amount is 5 TRX or 1 USDT. And the investment income is as follows. Deposit 30,000 TRX, withdraw 5.8% daily. Or deposit 30,000 1 to 100,000 TRX, withdraw 6.8 daily. Then deposit 100,001 to 200,000 TRX, withdraw 7.8 daily. And then 201 to 500,000 TRX, withdraw 8.8 daily. And then deposit 500,001 to 1 million TRX, withdraw 11% daily. And then deposit more than 1 million TRX and withdraw 13% daily. And then fourth, invest in the promotion account, participate in the financial management of fixed-term products in different cycles, and receive the principal and income at maturity. Please note, the income of fixed-term product is not received every day. Please wait patiently until the end of the investment cycle, and the principal and income will be settled together. And fifth, promote wallet and share investment with your friends. You can get 13%, 5%, 2%, 3-level rebate. For example, recommend A to invest 1,000 TRX and you can get 130 TRX. A recommend B to invest 1,000 TRX, you will get 50 TRX. B recommend C to invest 1,000 TRX, you will get 20 TRX. The 3-level rebate obtained by the user's offline recommendation will be automatically returned to the promotion account. The balance of the promotion account can be claimed in full or transferred to the basic account to participate in mining and earn daily income. Octron will provide every customer with safe, efficient, and stable long-term mining income TRX. Your income will depend on you when you join and how much you invest. If you have any question, please contact customer service in time, Telegram customer service, official website of the company, and hotline 666-668-999, fax 666-687-9999. So after that, the latest announcement guys, so mag-proceed tayo dito sa trading. So yun guys, trading profit, cloud mining is working 8%. So So yun nga guys, mag-proceed tayo dito sa product list. So yung product list, daily 9%, cycle 1 day, limit 1 offer. Participate in investment, daily 12%, cycle 3 days, limit 10 offer. Daily 15%, cycle 7 days, limit 10 offer. Daily 18%, daily 18%, cycle 30 days, limit 5 offer. So magpo-proceed tayo ngayon guys sa may share. So yun nga guys, paano nga ba tayo makakapag-invite dito sa ating site? Kakopy lang natin itong copy link, then pwede natin siyang share through social media, Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger para makapag-earn tayo ng rewards. So mag-proceed tayo guys sa mine. So yun nga guys, meron tayo dito total balance 10,000, TRX deposit quantity, deposit 5 TRX to activate the account, and the cumulative deposit of 200 TRX can be withdrawn as a gift account. So yun nga guys, magpo-proceed tayo dito sa may deposit. So yun nga guys, once na nakapag-proceed tayo sa ating deposit, meron tayo ditong transfer to basic wallet and premium account recharge. Investment is divided into two modes. First, recharge to the basic account and receive income according to Sri Lanka time zone after 24-hour every day. Second is recharge into the promotion account. You can receive income according to different cycles. Return to the principal and income upon maturity. View notes. Before investing, please choose a basic account or an promotion account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is very critical issue. So yun nga guys, after that, mag-proceed tayo dito sa transfer to basic wallet. So yun guys, once na nakapunta tayo sa transfer to basic address, so nandito yung ating link. Ika-copy lang natin to guys, then mag-proceed tayo sa ating Binance. So yun guys, once na nakapag-proceed tayo sa ating Binance, so nandito tayo sa home, magpunta tayo sa ating wallet. So yun guys, once na nakapunta tayo sa ating wallet, magtungo tayo dito sa ating withdraw. Then, once na naklik na natin ating withdraw, click natin yung TRX. Then, send via crypto network. Then, ilo-long press lang natin yung kinapi-paste natin galing site. So, yun nga guys, once na nakapi-paste na natin ang ating link galing sa ating site, ilagay lang naman natin ang ating amount. Then, click natin itong withdrawal. Then, i-click natin itong confirm. So, yun nga guys, once na naka-receive tayo ng ganito, click lang natin itong I fully understand the potential risks associated with asset withdrawal and confirm that I would like to continue withdrawing my asset. So, dapat lang guys is, i-confirm lang natin yung pag-link na paglalagay natin ng address. So, i-click lang natin to guys, yung confirm. Then yung guys, mag-send sa atin na meron ditong code na may mag-send sa ating number at Gmail. So yun guys, once na may nag-send sa atin ng code, i-input lang natin ito dito. Then click natin to submit. So yun nga guys, request submitted na tayo, system processing. Napaka-legit talaga ng ating site. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys, mag-register na kayo. At huwag natin kalimutan i-click ang notification bell at mag-subscribe para mas updated pa kayo sa mga ilalabas.